Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of learning how to sign Hark the Herald Angels Sing. This is an old hymn, but tomorrow we'll be signing with an acoustic version sung by Phil Wickham. So I'm really excited. And today we are going to walk through the song top to bottom. So in the last 2 videos, I explained each sign you need, and today we're going to practice those videos and sign from top to bottom. So if you haven't seen the first 2 videos, you want to go learn the signs there. Okay, so remembering as you follow along that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. And if you look below the video in the description, you'll find a link to print off lyrics. Okay, so here we go from the top. Okay, I'll try to go a little slower than how the music is going to go tomorrow. Okay, so hark the herald, angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful, all ye nations rise. Okay? Join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim that Christ is born in Bethlehem. And then it goes back to the chorus. Hark the herald, angels sing, glory to the newborn King. And then the first 2 times you hear the chorus, it'll repeat, glory to the King. Okay? And now verse 2, Christ by highest heaven adored, Christ the everlasting Lord. Late in time, behold him come, offspring of a virgin's womb. Veiled in flesh, the Godhead see, pleased with us. The Godhead see, hail, hail the incarnate deity, pleased with us in flesh to dwell, Jesus our Emmanuel. And then hark the herald, angels sing, glory to the newborn King. And then that repeats again, glory to the King. And now verse 3. So hail the heavenly Prince of Peace. Hail the Son of Righteousness. Light and life to all he brings, risen with healing in his wings. Mild he lays his glory by, born that man no more may die, born to raise the sons of earth, born to give them second birth. And then it goes, hark the herald, angels sing, glory to the newborn King. And then that repeats, hark the herald, angels sing, glory to the newborn King. And then it says twice, glory to the King, glory to the King. Glory to the King, glory to the King. Okay, so practice that as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we sign with the music. Bye. I hope above all that wherever you are healthy and that you are well, and that you always remember that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. I hope you have a great day. Bye.